In this video, we show how to replace the PERC module in a PowerEdge R670. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the PERC card for ease of removal, we remove the two middle fans and then disconnect all the power and data cables from the PERC card. Lift up on the blue plunger and slide the PERC module towards the right of the system and lift it out of the system. To install the PERC module, align it with the system and then slide it to the left to lock it into place. Then reconnect all the power and data cables. Then reinstall the two fans that you removed. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R670, visit dell.com/support.